Hello everyone, welcome to Hollywood. So this is a most important time for all those aspirants who had appeared phase 2 of NABARD 2020. ठीक है तो आपका 25 ऑफ जनवरी 2026 को नबार्ड ग्रेड ए का फेज 2 एग्जामिनेशन था और आप तब से वेट कर रहे हो कि मैम रिजल्ट कब आउट होगा like when we can expect that our result will be released. Okay, so in this particular video on the basis of last few years analysis I'm going to tell like कि हम क्या expect कर सकते हैं कि कब तक हमारा result आ सकता है. Okay, so if we look at the phase 2 exam date of the year 2024, so it was conducted on 20th of October and the result was declared on 29th of November. Like after 1 month, 9 days, the result was declared. Okay. And if I look at the this data for the year 2023, so in that particular time 19th नवंबर को आपका फेज 2 एग्जाम कंडक्ट हुआ था और 22nd ऑफ दिसंबर को आपका फेज 2 का रिजल्ट आउट हो गया था लाइक आफ्टर 1 month 3 days. Okay, and if I talk about the 2022 data, so 2022 में phase 2 exam was conducted on 29th of October and as per like not getting the exact date, but result was declared on first week of December. So on an average the same time interval of 1 month, 2 or 3 days. So on that basis we can assume कि हमारा एग्जाम 25th of January 2026 को हुआ था and today is 26th of Feb 2026. तो ये जो 1 month का window है that is closed. Okay, and in the upcoming week जो हमारा next week है in that particular week we can expect like in the next 5 to 7 days हमारा phase 2 का result aspirant आ सकता है like we are expecting it soon. ठीक है, the aspirants who are like in a safer zone जिनको लग रहा है कि phase 2 अभी qualify हो सकता है अपने interview के लिए start looking for कि आपको कैसे preparation करना चाहिए because for the interviews you also have to cover a lot of parameters. उसी के साथ the students who are watching this particular video but they are thinking of preparing for NABARD grade A in the exam 2026. Okay, this is a webinar which we are going to have on 28th of Feb at 6 p.m. Be the part of it. We'll try to cover all your doubts and queries here. Okay? And these are the important agendas of this particular webinar. Be the part of it. And let's start preparations together. All the very best and thank you.